stuff like that. Oh no. Ain't she a beauty? There we go. My mic wanted to leave me. I said, no sir. So what's up, guys? I'm CSB TV, and I'm back. Oh, feels good. It's nice and warm. I love it. If you were around last riding season, you might notice a little something different. This is my new motorcycle. I'll tell you what, I'm in love with it. It's a 2011 Suzuki GSXR 600. And I absolutely love it. Ooh, somebody's moving in. I was riding around just a little bit today. My old lady is gonna be home in about 40 minutes. So it's gonna be a short little ride. She wants to go to Walmart. She is in class right now, so gotta have fun before she gets back. Cause then we gotta do grown-up stuff. Just kidding, it's not grown-up stuff. We're just going out to look at clothes. And I think that's it. Maybe something else. I don't know. So I'm enjoying my new bike. It's really nice having said new bike. Because you can do stuff like that. My old one, it wouldn't jump up that quick. So I'm absolutely in love with this bike though. It's so nice. Like in my old bike, right now I'm cruising at 50, cruising at 60, we'll say 60. I've been 6th gear because it was so loud. This one, 3rd gear, nothing to it. 7,000 RPMs, y'all probably can't even hear it. My old one, 7,000. They could hear me the next county over because it was one loud filler. So we usually go down that way. We usually go straight. Today we're taking a ride because I feel like it, and I don't go this way a lot, so seems like a fun thing to do. I'll give you a little lit one. This bike's so much more fun than my last one. Like, I thought I'd take it easy on it for the first month or two, but it's just so easy on this bike. I love it. So what's the point in my ride today? 1, have fun, because riding's fun. 2, I'm not really sure. I had to make sure it's still on. No battery's about, isn't very charged right now. 2, I'm not sure. We're just out riding. Gonna talk to y'all for a little bit. Hopefully y'all are enjoying it. Maybe stop somewhere and show off the bike a little bit because it's fun showing off the bike. I want everybody to see it. Appreciate it. And I haven't been down this way but once this year. Maybe once. I don't even know if I've been this way this year. I don't know why, but this left turn always makes me want to slow down for some reason. It's not even a big turn. I sold my old motorcycle to my buddy the other day. The other day is going on 2 weeks now. He's really excited about it. But that was in the last video. So once again, check that out if you want to. But this is so much fun. If you're thinking about getting a bike, I'd highly recommend it. If you're thinking about getting a bike, I wouldn't recommend going out and spending $7,000 on a motorcycle like I did. Oh, it's a good thing I was going slow because there's a copper right there. How's it going, bud? I always wave to him because, you know, Why not? You know, some cops might be bad people. I choose to believe that the majority of them are not bad people. But anyways, like I say, if you're thinking about getting a bike, I'd recommend it. But what I'd also recommend is not going out and spending $7,000 on a new motorcycle if you've never rode before. If you rode before, have at it. It's not like there's a high chance you wreck it. But if you haven't rode before, we'll turn around in here. If you haven't rode before, I'd recommend you doing what I did. My last motorcycle, I paid a cheap amount for it. Needed a little bit of work. I fixed it up. Well, me and my brother fixed it up. So, like, it was no big deal. I didn't pay much for it. Fixed it up, and it was good to go. Rode it for a season, one riding season. Spring to beginning of the spring to end of fall riding season. If you brave the cold, which you will, because you love it. And once you get a motorcycle, there's like, you don't want to not have a motorcycle. It's like having a cell phone in your pocket. Like, back early 2000s, nobody thought about cell phones. I was like, oh, I don't need a phone on me at all times. Now, you can't feel your phone for a second, you got a little heart attack. It's kind of the same as a motorcycle. Whenever this time of year comes around, you're really wanting a motorcycle. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You want to go out, feel the open road, feel the wind, and just feel that bit of freedom. I keep doing that. Nothing this way. Oh, Mr. CSB TV didn't stop for a stop sign. Well, most of y'all don't either, so it's okay. But anyways, I'd highly recommend it. It's an addiction, like anything else. It's addiction, like a tattoo. I don't know if y'all can see mine or not. Addiction like a tattoo. You get one tattoo, you want more. Coffee. A lot of coffee addicts. You get addicted to coffee. You get addicted to having a motorcycle. Wintertime, that's all you can think about. You check the weather all the time, see if it's going to be warm enough to ride. And some days it's not warm enough to ride, but you still do anyways because it's fun to do. That's my little spiel on it all. So, like I said, I'd recommend it. It's fun. Fun, you can go fast. Who doesn't like going fast and having fun? People that don't like it, I guess.
You stupid!
Answer. Stupid. Then you can do stuff like this. Like, hey, doggy. Like, that wasn't a big turn, but, like, you get close to the ground, it feels awesome. Like, not even close to the ground, really. It's just a little bit of a lane, and you just like it. You like it. You like it, you love it. You're scared of them when they first start. You're scared of them somewhere in the middle, but you love them. As scared of them as you are, you're going to keep doing them, and you're going to go faster and faster every time, just to see how far you can push it. Then you're going to wreck, and you're going to be really sad. You're not going to care about yourself. You're going to care about your bike more. It's just how it goes. That's been my little spiel. I didn't know what I was going to talk about when I came out, to be honest with you. But it turned into talking about getting motorcycles and